What if I told you that the person you're watching right now isn't actually me? Would you believe it? Because this video was created by my AI avatar with 100% voice accuracy. Imagine creating content every day without setting up lights, doing your makeup, changing clothes, or even picking up a camera. Sounds impossible? Not anymore. Here's how to create one.
The first thing you want to do is to go to any browser of your choice and search for Google Gemini. Now, everyone must have used this app at some point. There was a point where using it to create amazing pictures. Now, what you want to do is to click on this part that says video. So once you click on that video part, it's going to show you this: create from anything, put yourself in any scene, refine with Gemini, and you click on try. Once you click on try, it's going to take you to this interface where you have to record your face and also your voice so that it can match your voice 100%, like I said at the beginning of this video. Now, once you come onto this page, there are some tips. You see this place that says see tips. Make sure you read the tips so that you get all the information you need and you don't have to record so many times. Now, when I clicked on tips, it asked me to maintain an eye level, so I have to get a tripod so that my face is like steady and my hands are not shaking. At this point now, I had to name all these numbers. I had to say it out loud so that it can record my voice. Now, it's saying make sure you say the numbers out loud because I think the first time I didn't record properly, so now I have to do it again. So ensure that when you're doing it, your voice is like a very high pitch, and after that you're going to record different sides of your face. Now this is very important so that you can match your face and its accuracy. Now I'm turning to my left, turn to my right, turned again so that I can fully get every detail. So at this point it has gotten everything in it and it's uploading already. So once it's done uploading, it's going to tell you to log off, close off the screen, go back to your own original interface, and then you can start creating. So click on video and then you see click on this plus sign and then your avatar is here. You can import your avatar by clicking on it. You can also change the size of your video from landscape to portrait. I'm just going to paste in my prompt so that I can start creating, and once everything is set and I'm sure that I want it the way it is, I'm just going to click on send. So now I'm waiting for my video to generate. So now it's generating my video. You can see the information here. So this takes, let's say, like 5 minutes tops. Your video will generate as fast as possible depending on your network. So now I'm seeing that it's showing an error message that I appear like a minor. I don't know why it's saying that. I'm an adult. So I need to check my prompt again. Did I mention any minor? Nothing. I don't know why it's saying I'm a minor. And there's really no way to change this unless you have to go back and change the avatar. So that is what I'm going to do now. I'm just going to take back this step again. I have to wear a wig and do my makeup so at least I look like an adult. So anytime you encounter this, just try to change your look because I guess it thinks I'm a child. I don't know why. So I had to wear a wig and do my makeup. Then I uploaded a new avatar with that setup. So the next thing I want to do is to go to ChatGPT where my prompt is at. So I want to ensure that it doesn't have any issues. The prompt is well tailored and then AI cannot reject it. Also, bear in mind that the video you can create is a 10 seconds video. So the script that you are copying should be 10 seconds. So I'm not going to be copying all the whole script. I'm going to copy half of the script and then create the video twice. Now I'm going to copy the prompt. Then when I get to the part of the script where I want it to get to, I'm just going to stop at this part. I'm going to copy it. So once I copy it, I'll go back to Gemini. And once I come to Gemini, I'm going to click on the video. And then when I come to the video part, of course, there are other things that you can do, but I want to use my avatar. But you can place yourself in any of these fascinating backgrounds and you're going to see yourself there. So bear in mind that you can also create in either landscape or portrait. So now I'm going to click on the plus sign, import my avatar. This is the new one I uploaded. You can see I'm wearing a wig here. For you to use this video part, I think you need to be on a subscription. I have a plus here. I don't know how much I pay, maybe 2,000 naira or so. So I'm going to paste in my prompt and then I'll click on send. So now that I've sent it, you can see that it is loading here. So once you see this loading sign, you know that the video is processing. So now it's saying it's generating my video. I'm just going to wait for a while and then my video would be generated. So once you see your video is ready, you know that your video has been generated. So now you can click on it and see how it looks. So once you see this blank screen, don't be bothered. The video is trying to load up so that you can view it.
What if I told you that the person you're watching right now isn't actually me? Would you believe it? because this video was created by my AI avatar with 100% voice accuracy.
So compare my voice now to the voice of this avatar and you can see that it's 100% accurate. When I showed it to someone, the person said it's 100% my voice. Like if you hear this avatar talk, you're going to think I'm the one. Once you're sure that the video meets your standard of what you want, you're just going to click on the download button and it will be downloaded straight into your device. Now, to generate the second part of the video, we have to go back to ChatGPT and copy the whole prompt. So once we copy the whole prompt, we'll go back to Gemini and then we are going to paste it. So once I've pasted it, the next thing for me to do is to cut off the first part, this first part of the script that I already created a video for. I'm going to cut off that part and then leave the other part that I want it to say for this second part. So now I'm going to cut that off and remove any other thing I don't want it to say. I've already said this 100% accuracy in the first video, so I'm also going to cut that part off. So once I'm done with that, I'm going to click on send and it's going to start generating my video for the second part of the video. And you're going to see how it maintains everything in terms of my outfits, my facial structure. It's just really good. Now this is the second part of the video and it's ready now. So let's see what it created this time, if it matches what it created the first time, because that is really essential.
Imagine creating content every day without setting up lights, doing your makeup, changing clothes, or even picking up a camera. Sounds impossible? Not anymore. Here's how to create one.
What amazes me about this is that it gets your facial features, your facial structure, your hair, your outfit description, because this outfit description was actually 100% accurate and every other detail is perfect. It sounds like a human. It doesn't sound robotic, because that has been the major challenge. So this is really good and you can start creating your own avatar. You don't really need to shoot content every single day. You do it from the comfort of your home and you're good to go.